This small trophy begins as molten gold. Raw gold is carefully measured before melting. High temperatures turn solid gold into liquid. Control at this stage is critical. Even a small mistake affects the result. After cooling, the raw form appears.
At this stage, it looks far from finished.
Each cut defines the structure.
Smoothing takes time and patience.
This forms the base of the trophy.
Heat is used again to refine the form. Individual parts are carefully joined.
Strong bonding is essential. Precision is adjusted by hand.
The upper form begins to emerge.
Details are added slowly. Each mark adds character.
The shape is now recognizable.
Accuracy is constantly checked.
Polishing begins the refinement.
Rough texture starts to fade.
The surface is hand-polished to smooth out fine scratches and prepare it for the final finish. Moving light reveals the surface quality, showing how evenly the metal has been polished.
Small imperfections remain, highlighting the handcrafted nature of the piece. Final engravings are added to define the details and enhance the overall design.
All individual components are now assembled into a complete structure.
The piece is inspected under direct light to verify alignment and surface consistency.
From raw metal to form,